So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a power outage in the Dominoes 7 studios. So, it's spooky in here. Ooh. Make sure I don't. Alright. Where that noise coming from? Alright. Yep. The power out is everywhere. Every which way. That noise probably coming from that building over there. Alright. Let's go in the back. In the back. Yeah, the power is out back here too. Y'all see that? Must be coming from that building. And it stopped. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a power outage in this neighborhood, you know? Alright. And then somebody around the corner acting like a fool. But anyway, folks, there's a power outage in not only in the Dominoes 7 studios, there's a power outage in the neighborhood too. All the street lights is out, you know. I hope they hurry up and come fix everything, you know. Yep. So when the power come on, I'm upload this to YouTube. If it's already on YouTube, y'all already saw it, you know. Yep. And it's getting dark, you know. But you know what? If it get dark and the moon is out, you know. Oh yeah, you know what, folks? I remember one day, in the Saint Bernard though, I don't recall where I was. Oh yeah, I was going to Church's Chicken. Oh, my friend calling. Let me answer this. Well, I'm answer this. Oh, let me. Well. Oh yeah, that's my friend though. So I'm gonna call him back when I finish this video, you know. So that was my friend D Weezy calling. So I ain't mean to decline is his call, you know. So anyway, folks, it's a power outage here, you know. So look around. All the street lights is off, you know. All the street lights and everything. My next door neighbor, this neighbor, everybody don't have the power, which sucks. All right, so I'm gonna call him back when I'm ready. You know, not when I'm ready. I'm gonna call him back when I can. You know, so I'm about to call him back when I end this. Okay, all right.